I'm Blake with the Electric Bike Company, and today I want to show you how to turn on your Model X. So to turn it on, the master switch is located right here on the battery, which is located here on the frame. So just turn it on, and that's it. To turn on your Model C or S bike, the master switch is located right here on the back. Now that beep beep sound you heard was the anti-theft alarm system, which is an optional upgrade to your bike, which is basically a theft deterrent by making an alarm sound go off when there's any movement on the bike. For the Model Y and M bikes, the master switch is located right here. Now that beep beep sound you heard was also the anti-theft alarm system that is installed in the Model Y, which is also an upgrade. So to get started, after you have adjusted your handlebars and your seat for your own preference, now it's time to turn on the bike itself. So once you turn on the battery from your bike, right here, you'll see 3 buttons. There's an up arrow, a power button, and a down arrow. So just quickly hold the power button, and that turns on the LCD screen. Now, as you can see here, it is automatically set to PAS off. So what that means is that pedal assist is off. So right now you can use the bike in full throttle mode, and you can always increase the levels. So by default, it's at level 1. So you can go 2, 3, 4, and 5 being the maximum. Now, if you want to use the pedal assist, you must take this off right here. So to do that, I hold down the down arrow key for a few seconds, which is located right here. So once you do that, you can see that the PAS off is disappeared. So that means that you can now use the bike in pedal assist, and you can use it at level 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1. You can adjust it to whatever setting you want. We always recommend to start out at 1 and then move your way up to 5. So those are some of the basics on how to turn on your bike and how to use your bike when you first get it. If you have any questions, please give us a call or email us, and we'll be more than happy to answer them for you.